Lulu the Little Bear and the Sounds of the Stars. Once upon a time, in a softly glowing starlit forest, there lived a little bear named Lulu. Lulu was a gentle and kind little bear. During the daytime, he loved playing with his friends, rolling on the grass, splashing by the stream, and listening to the wind sing beneath the trees. One evening, the sky slowly turned purple, and the stars began to shine, one by one. Lulu's friends waved goodbye and went home to rest. Hugging his little star plush toy, Lulu slowly walked back to his cozy wooden cabin. Inside, the cabin was warm. The fire flickered softly, and the night whispered outside the window. Lulu snuggled into his soft blanket, closed his eyes, and thought about the happy moments of the day. Just as he was about to fall asleep, rustle, rustle. Lulu's ears twitched. Then he heard it again. Thump, thump, rustle. Lulu opened his eyes. His heart began to beat a little faster. The sound seemed to be coming from outside the window. What could it be? Lulu whispered to himself. The room was very quiet. Only the clock ticked softly. Lulu felt a little scared, but he didn't dare to call out. Just then, a gentle light appeared outside the window. An old deer wearing a moon-shaped hat slowly walked up to the window. "Good evening, little bear Lulu," the old deer said kindly. "You look a little worried." Lulu gathered his courage and told the old deer about the strange sounds he had heard. The old deer listened quietly, then smiled and pointed outside. "Listen." The night wind blew softly. The starlight trees swayed their branches. Leaves brushed against one another, making gentle sounds. "It's just the wind and the stars," the old deer said. "They are singing a lullaby for the forest." Lulu listened carefully. The sounds no longer felt scary. They felt soft, calm, and comforting. The old deer stayed with Lulu for a while, telling stories about stars and how they watched over the forest at night. "If you ever feel scared," the old deer whispered, "remember, you are not alone." With a gentle nod, the old deer slowly disappeared into the starlight. Lulu lay back under his blanket, hugging his little star tightly. The sounds outside turned into a soft, peaceful song. His eyes slowly closed, and a small smile appeared on his face. From that night on, whenever Lulu heard sounds in the dark, he remembered they might just be the wind, the stars, or friends quietly watching over him. Now, close your eyes. The night is gently holding you. Good night and sweet dreams.